watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about one of my most favorite things in the world, the Amazon wig. So, of course, I love an Amazon wig. I'll leave the link down below for all of the Amazon wigs that I have done a review for. Do check those out. I love it. And this is so fabulous as well. This is actually from Sapphire Wigs right here. And this is the second wig that I've done for them. The first wig was right here. I do love, 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 love. So do check that one out below. So here's the wig that I'm gonna be doing today. The picture does make it seem like it is a little bit more pink than purple, but it does say, of course, on there that it is a light purple, and it is. Look at those colors. So I don't know if you can kind of take a peek here, but it is multi-dimensional. It isn't one solid hair strand color. If you can see here, it has very long layers, which I absolutely love. This is 24 inches right there. Check out that. Love it. This does have a 2.5 inch parting right here, which is really great. And then also this has light or nude lace right here. And then this has 2 clips or combs on the side and 1 comb in the middle. And of course, the fasteners in the back. This is a medium cap as well. So here's the inside of the wig for you to take a little look. Check her out. See how fab? I did dust her a little bit with baby powder, so of course that's a great way for you to reduce some of the shine on some of the wigs. I like to use baby powder because I have it, but of course dry shampoo works just as well. So let's put this girl on. I have my wig cap in nude, which I have from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I absolutely love having an abundance of wig caps, but how can I forget that this wig actually comes with 2 wig caps, so as soon as it arrives, you are ready to go. So I do put my wigs on front to back, so I'm gonna back it up just a little bit. Boom. Oh, hello. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous color. Oh my gosh. I love, 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 love pastel wigs. I feel like I look the best, maybe because I'm so fair, I'm not exactly sure, but oh my gosh, I love it. Look, like I just tossed it on, and what I like about these wigs, of course you can modify it if you'd like, but they generally have the Amazon wigs a little bit of like a pop-up up here to kind of, you know, guide you. Like if you really wanted to create it to have like more of a pop-up like that, but it really has this great front part. And of course this lace, just take a look at it. Like it's a pretty great lace, knowing that I have done nothing except for just cut the lace off. No tweezing, no nothing. And it looks pretty great. And you know, who's gonna fight that? Really, I mean, it just lays so great on. Feels great. So let's talk about the length here. So I'm 5'7". So this is actually, I feel like this is around 22 inches. Maybe if it was totally straight, it would be 24. 24 lands right here. So this is, I think, 22 right there. So really great. Oh my gosh, look at her. Oh my gosh, I am totally wearing her out today. I just love this color. It's a kind of a smoky purple, but I really love like how there's the multi-dimensional pieces in the actual, for the hairs. So it's not one solid color, which is really awesome. Okay, so let's Let's see if I just move kind of the parting this way. Let's see, can I do that far? Maybe not. The favorite way that I like to just move, actually, let's just do it like this. This is actually pretty great. Again, like, this really gives a great look. So I generally, like I was mentioning, if you've seen any of my videos, I like to just switch the parting by just moving the wig cap around. So let's just do that and see what kind of flat look it actually gives. So let's just part this down the middle. And let's see what happens by just moving the part. So this is how I normally part my hair on this side. With the good eyebrow, of course. Okay, so there's on this side. Actually, I feel like it kind of gives a very similar look. Of course, if you did want it more flat, you would just take your flat iron and flatten this out more. These pieces. What do you guys think? I love these layers. It just is so soft. Okay, let's see if I move it on this side. What kind of look will it possibly give us? Also, I do feel like, of course, with these Amazon wigs, they do have minimal shedding and tangle, but of course, any long wig, it is going to tangle, like, and it's going to shed a little bit. Let me fix this wig cap a little bit. So this is on this side, which is the misfit eyebrow. I would just fix that wig cap a little bit, but this is like a far, ooh, this is kind of nice. I normally don't do such a deep parting or anything like really fluffy, but look at this. Love it! This is like a dream come true. What do you guys think? So again, so this is from Sapphire Wigs. Do let me know if you have any Sapphire wigs. I would love to know about it. Leave me a comment down below. Of course, also, let me know if you have a favorite pastel wig or a favorite purple wig. Like, let's just share all the great information with everyone, and let's empower each other with every comment, being the best that we can be every single day, because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a pastel purple wig, wear it. I want to thank you all, and we will see you soon.